Is what you hear on the news regarding the real estate market true? Is what you hear from friends, family, neighbors true? Well, we will examine that today in the monthly market real estate update for the mountains of Western North Carolina. Howdy, friends. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source for life that is built upon the rock. So let's get into it. Pop off. All right, so we got some changes this month from last month and also from last year. So specifically, that's what we're going to go over. So homes sold 189. That's down 36% from last month. Just phenomenal. Last year, we're down 46%. So the real estate market is dealing with a sales problem right now, as you can imagine, not necessarily a value problem. And we got two bits of criteria here that tell us that. So median sales price still $485 for Western North Carolina, Asheville, and pretty much the surrounding areas. So that's up 9%. From March. So, and then we're up 8% from last year, April 2022. So check that out. Median list price, $472.5, up 6%, just from previous months, and up 10% from last year. So check that out. That's where our value is in median sales price and list price. Look where they are. They are steadily climbing in between 6 and 10%. That's just phenomenal. Sale to list price, we are down 4% from last year. No surprise there. Although I believe we did bump up a little bit just recently, but we'll look at that later. Check this out. Sales volume, we're down 45% just in 1 year. This is happening all over the nation. It is very much so still a seller's market right now, as you can tell by those values I just pointed out. So values are holding strong, and there's nothing really good as far as what I consider gems. So there's no gems. There's a lack of them, if there are any on the market. There's not very many, and that's what I'm seeing as well with boots on the ground here. So homes sold year to date, no surprise, down 33%. Median list price in our area is just phenomenal. $624 for Western North Carolina. Still low days on market at 11. The high price one has sold not too far back for almost $13 million. So, and here's what I was talking about, average sale to list price. For those of you who don't know, that's when you list the house for a certain price, and does it sell for less than that price or more than that price? And as we can see, in April, we were at places selling for an average of 98% of asking price. And then we are going down. In March, we were at 97. In February, 96. So as we come into the summer months here, either that 98 is going to hold steady, or it may bump up. It may bump up to 99, 100. It may even go above 100. Even with the recent rate hikes, I still think we're going to see plenty of activity for the homes on market. So if you're thinking about listing and you're like, I don't know, check out the numbers. The values are there. The competition isn't that strong, so that gives you more opportunity. And buyers, look, sales really aren't happening. That means sellers who really need to sell, they're going to be willing to give you some sort of a cut. And I'm seeing that across the board. There's some homes, properties staying on market longer, and some of my folks are just, maybe I'll offer them a little less. And I'm like, okay, do it. Doesn't hurt to try. And I'm seeing deals be made one way or another when that happens. That is the majority of the time. So I hope this was helpful. If there is anything I can do to help you or your family, any questions you have, I'm here for you. Reach out. My number, my email is below this video. So peace, power, victory, rockstar life. We'll talk to you soon.